Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to show you, it's the first time this has ever happened, this, but I know exactly which little creature's done it. I have mouse damage. If you can see, the little thing has chewed all the, well, nearly all, new tops off, if you can see there. See them there? Never mind. Live and learn, don't you? Live and learn. I don't want to put anything down for it, so I've started putting some bread out and some seeds. So I don't want to kill the little fella. I've seen him. He's a little cute so-and-so. So yeah, these were the giants. I'm going to order some more. And sow another tray full. Hopefully it doesn't go through anything else. I've got all my other plants here and none of them have been touched, thankfully. And all these here, nothing's been touched. So fingers crossed it doesn't chew anything else up. So I don't have to give him the heave-ho, which I wouldn't like not to. I would like not to. So yeah, mouse damage. So remember, happy sowing, happy growing, folks. That's just a quick catch up on what's been happening in my greenhouse. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. And once again, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good day, folks. Thank you. Bye.